Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can create custom filter views inside Google Sheets. Essentially, you'll learn how to create filters for your different columns and how to save these filter views for quickly filtering data across your different sheets. Today, I'll be showing you how you can do this inside our Sheetify CRM and Projects Toolkit. These are two popular Google Sheet business templates that we created for small businesses. If you want to learn more about our Sheetify Google Sheets business templates, I will add the appropriate resources and links down below in the description. However, you can follow along with any Google Sheet file. Okay, so here I am inside my Google Sheets CRM. Now let's say I want to create a filter option for the business type. So I want to create a filter that shows me the records that are labeled a specific business type. And we can do this for any of these different columns. First, what I would do is navigate to the row that I want to filter. For me, that's row 1. Then hit Shift Command down to highlight all rows. Or if you like, let's navigate back up to the top. You can click on the row and hold down and simply drag that all the way down to the bottom. That's a slow way to do this. Okay, so again, Shift Command down. I'm going to navigate back up to the top, then navigate over to this filter option and create a filter. Then next to our column headers, you'll see this filter option. I'm going to navigate across to type and click here, and then navigate down to clear all and hit OK. Then I'm going to navigate up to data and save as filter view. I'm going to call this filter by business type and then hit save. And let's close out of this and remove the filter. So now what I can do is if I want to quickly filter my data based on type, all I need to do is navigate up to data and then change view and click on filter by business type. Then navigate over here and automatically that's going to show all my blanks. I can come down and click on B2B and I just want to show businesses that operate in the B2B category. I'm going to click OK, and as you can see, that's going to filter my data by business to business. I can change that again, and let's say this time I want to select residential only. And as you can see, that's how you can create filters. Let's close out of this. And again, I could do the same with source. I'm going to click here, Shift Command down, and head back up to the top. And this time I want to filter by source. And I want to create a quick filter for contacts that have found me via social media. To do that, navigate up to filter again, then navigate over to source or the column that you want to create a filter for. And this time I'm going to clear all, then navigate down and click on social and then click on OK. And as you can see, my data has been filtered by social. Navigate up to data, then save as filter view. And I'm going to name this filter, filter by social channel, and save. And let's close out of this, remove the filter. And again, if I want to quickly enable that filter, simply navigate up to data, change view, and now I have these two different view options, filter by business type and filter by social channel. Then to remove that filter, simply navigate up to exit. And just like that, that is how you can create a filter and save that filter. Now I'm going to navigate over to my Google Sheets project management toolkit I built for small businesses. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And here I'm going to navigate over to tasks, and these are tasks that are associated to specific companies. So I want to create a filter that allows me to filter these tasks based on the company or project. To do that, locate the row that you want to filter. This is row 7 here. Again, Shift Command down, navigate back to the top, navigate over to filter, then navigate over to project or the column that you want to filter. In my case, I want to create a project filter, then clear all except for blanks. Or like I showed you earlier, you can choose an exact filter that you want to create. Maybe there's a specific project that you want to create a filter for. For me, I'm going to come down and click on OK, and that's going to filter by blank. I'm happy with that. I'm going to navigate up to data, save as view, and call this, instead of filter, search specific project tasks, and then click on save, and then close out of this and remove the filter. Now what I can do is navigate up to data, change view, and as you can see, I have these other views I've created earlier. I want to choose search specific project tasks. Then navigate over to project, click here, and I'm going to clear all and then select Dan's group. I want to see all tasks associated to this project type and click on OK. And as you can see, we only have one task example task L that's associated with this project. And as you can see, it's as simple as that to quickly create filters and save them as a specific view inside Google Sheets. That is it for this tutorial. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.